All right, I'm in the middle of a trade on Snap right now. I'm long. I'm probably about to get stopped out. You can see my long position here. I got above all these moving averages on really nice volume. So I liked, and we're coming off a hammer right here, and then proceeded upwards. So I liked what I saw. So I took it long right here, and partialed out. This has been a really nice trade for me. This is the 200 MA, so I was partialing out as we approached the 200 MA. And then I was down to a small share size, just 12 shares left, very small position. And right here I went ahead and added just 12 more shares. So I doubled my position. And what you're seeing right here is that this is my break-even point. So I have just a stop market order at my break-even here. So we'll see. The reason I added was I thought there was a chance that we might be able to push for, let's see here, previous day close. Now it seems unlikely because the market is tanking, but I thought I'd give it a shot because I've already had a nice trade on this. So okay, so that's my Snap trade right there. I started the day, and my watch list is right here. So Snap, NIO, AMD, and CCL. I started the day getting annihilated on AMD. So AMD was pretty tough on me this morning. So I took it short. So I took it short right here at 77.96, and then and this was my stop out here. So I got a partial and then out at break even. So this was no big deal. But then I chased it short here again and then stopped out up here. So this is a huge loss for me. This was a massive hole, and that seems to be a trend. So this is terrible risk management, and I really need to quit digging myself a hole right off the bat because, yeah, like I said, it's become a bit of a trend here. So then to recover from AMD, I went over to NIO here, and NIO was a really nice trade for me. Let's see. So again, this is a pattern I see a lot. Call it the bearish, oops, that's a terrible boot, but bearish boot here. And this is all one big trade here. And this trade by itself, had I not dug myself a hole, would have hit my daily goal by itself. So this is a really nice trade for me. Took it short here. What I saw was I like this big spike in downward volume. I feel really comfortable with this pattern where it pushed down, hit a moving average, bounced up, consolidated below a lot of potential lines of resistance, and then started coming back down. And then I got in right here, which is yesterday's high, and I like that because it gave me a thing. And this is kind of, I'm playing, my entry here is really playing a pivot point, and you can see the pivot point's kind of right there. Right, so I took it short here, and if that couldn't hold, I probably was not going to hold it even to VWAP. So it was a real tight stop for me. Got some good partials, added back in here. When it came back down, I took that add back off, got another partial. Then I tried an add here just in case, and this one didn't work out, and I got stopped out right there. But this was a really nice trade for me. Like I said, if this trade was done in a vacuum, this would have hit my daily goal by itself. But that said, Snap is running. So let me pop back over here. I told you I wanted it to get to 41.50, and I'm gonna go ahead and oops. Actually had a bit of a hotkey there, and so I was trying to take half of my remaining position off, but I accidentally added half of my position back in there, so I took it all off right here. But anyway, so it actually did get up to previous day close right there, so that worked out great for me. But that was my day. So the net of all this is about 62% of my daily goal. If I hadn't taken that massive loss right off the bat with AMD, would have been an amazing day for me. But I dug myself a hole. I'm happy to get out of it. But I really need to work on my risk management at open, especially right now with just how volatile the markets are at open. I think I need to be more patient, wait a little bit longer. Excuse me, wait a little bit longer before I'm getting involved in these trades.